Okay, this is room 929. I'm going to have you copy these numbers into your blank tables that I printed out for you. Show the work and then write down the 3. This is a quick one. 3 secret words to show me that you listen. All right, again, these ratio tables are having you look at the ratios that are given and a pair of numbers and seeing what you're doing to one to repeat that to the other number by timesing. So again, looking at what is given to you and trying to figure out what numbers are timesing. So here I go. Let's do that first set. Let's clear that out. This is 4 to 3. So it looks like this first one, I'm timesing by 2 right there to get that 8. So what I do is I come over here to this 3 and I times that 3 by 2 also. So this 3 times 2 gives me what number is going to go inside that. It's going to be 6. And of course that is the same ratio, 4 to 3, 8 to 6. First word is Michigan. Michigan. All right, next pair. You're looking at this 3 and this 15. That's the set right there I'm giving you to look at. So the only number times 3 to get 15 is going to be 5. So I come over here and I times this 4 by that same 5 to get that number. So 4 times 5 will give me 20. And again, that should be the same value. 4 divided by 3, 8 divided by 6, 20 divided by 15. And then keep going. Look at this 3 and then this 24, that set given to you. That is timesing by 8. So I go all the way up to that 4, all the way up here, and I times that by 8. And that gives me the next number inside there, which is going to be 8 times 4, 32. All right, let's keep going. Over here, you're looking at this 4, and way down here, what gives you this 36? The only number times 4 to give you that 36 is timesing by 9. So I go way up to the top because I'm always timesing these two numbers up here all the way to the top to times that number by 9. That gives me 27. And then last one, I look at this 4 and then way down here this 80. The only number times 4 to get 80, I believe, is 20. So I go way up to the top and I times this number by 20. So 3 by 20 gives me 60. And if I did that right, all these values should be the same. 4 divided by 3. That should give me 1.3. Repeating, let's see, 4 divided by 3. Yep. If I do 8 divided by 6. 8 divided by 6, that gives me 1.3. Yep, same value, equivalent. 20 divided by 15 gives me that same value, 1.3. They're equivalent. 32 divided by 24 gives me that same value. Again, because I'm timesing always by the master ratio. 36 divided by 27 gives me 1.3, repeating. And of course, 80 divided by 60, finding that value, 1.3. They're all the same. They are equivalent. Second word is Montana. Montana. All right, so for this, I'm looking at this 2 and this 10. What times 2 gives me 10? Looks like I'm timesing by 5. So for this problem, a triple, I just go up to those and I times both those numbers up here by that same 5. So I times 4 by 5 gives me 20. Times that 3 by 5 gives me 15. That gives me equivalent ratios by looking at the numbers that I'm timesing. All right, I'm going to have you do this set on your own. I'm going to have you fill in these numbers. This is going to be 5 to 2. The first number in the box I'm going to give you is going to be 12 right here. And then I'm going to go 14 right here. And then over here, I'm going to go 60. And then I'm going to go 80. And then my last one is going to be 100. I want you to fill in this table where all the values have that same ratio of 5 to 2. Over here, I'm going to give you the master ratio. It's going to be 4 and 1 and 3. For this one, I'm going to give you 15. Fill in the blanks. Last word is Wisconsin. Wisconsin. Good luck.